In this video, I will be showing you how to create a basic title slide for your video project using Adobe Premiere. So once you have your video project open in Premiere, the first thing to do is to click on Title at the top of the page, hover your mouse over New Title, and then select Default Still. And then this window will pop up asking you to name it, and just title it whatever you want to name it. And then the title design window will appear on your screen, and this is where you're actually going to create your title, which you will then drag into your video later on. So first thing you're going to do is go over to your text box tool over here, click it, and then click anywhere inside of the screen to create a new text box for your title. And then just type in whatever you want your title to say. To change the font type or style, click, hold, and drag your text to highlight it, and then use these drop-down menus at the top to change the font types and the size. And options for special font types are down here if you want to use any of these. To align the text on either side of the text box or to center it, you can use these buttons up here. And then to change the size of your text box, make sure to go back over to your toolbar and select the cursor option instead of the text box tool. And then once you do that, these little squares will pop up around your text box that you just created, and hover over one of them, and you can see that there's this arrow that pops up. Click, hold, and drag, and you will be able to make your text box larger or smaller depending on what you want. To move the text box around on your screen, click anywhere inside of the text box with your cursor, hold and drag, and you should be able to move it around various parts of the screen or even off the screen. If you want your title to be centered on the screen, you can use these buttons over here to center it vertically and horizontally. So once you're satisfied with your title, just exit out of the title design window, and you'll see that it appears down here in your project bin along with any imported video clips, audio, or images. To apply the title to your video, click, hold, and drag on it in your project folder and drag it onto the timeline. You can either place it above a video clip on a separate video track to have the title play over top of the video clip, or if you put it in front of the video on its own, it will play with a black background by itself. To increase or decrease the amount of time the title appears on the screen, hover your cursor over the edge of the title slide in your timeline until your cursor becomes a red bracket. Once this bracket appears, click, hold, and drag, and you'll be able to shorten or lengthen the clip. Apply any transitions or effects as you like, but that's how to create a basic title slide for your video project in Premiere. Thanks for watching.